Hello, hi, this is Janvi and I'm standing at Minerva by Shapurji in Mahalakshmi and I'll be the host for this video. So do watch this video till the end. And this is the 91 story tower where you have 10 levels of podium parking and the 11th level you have the parking as well as the amenities which involves the pool, jacuzzi, and you have the 12th floor which is the amenity area, and the habitable floor starts from the 26th floor, and the 26th to 54th floor is actually sold out and the remaining are left. And at the 78th floor you have a viewing deck which provides you the panoramic view of Mahalakshmi Racecourse as well as the Arabian Sea. Minerva Tower enjoys a prime location in South Mumbai, offering unparalleled connectivity to key business, cultural and recreational hubs in the city. Situated off NM Joshi Marg. This iconic tower ensures that residents are always connected to the best city has to offer. So the business hub with proximity to Lower Parel, Worli and Nariman Point. Minerva Tower provides seamless access to Mumbai's financial and business districts, making daily commutes efficient and stress-free. Is well connected by road with easy access to the Eastern Express Highway and Western Express Highway, ensuring smooth travel across the city. Additionally, Mumbai Central Railway Station is just a short drive away, connecting you to the suburban railway network. Metro access, the upcoming Mumbai Metro Lane 3 is expected to enhance airport proximity. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is easily accessible via Western Express Highway, ensuring smooth travel for both domestic and international flights. Entertainment and lifestyle with Palladium Mall, High Street Phoenix, and you also have a Wellington Sports Club which is minutes away from the project. Shapurji Pallonji is coming up with the awaited latest luxurious tower in Mahalakshmi East, which is Minerva, with a 91-story skyscraper view tower with a breathtaking views of Mahalakshmi Racecourse as well as the Arabian Sea. So coming to the highlights of the project is the part OC is received for the project, and you also have an ultra luxurious home starting from the 54th floor. You get a spacious 3.5 as well as 4 BHK with a sprawling deck. You have a largest deck on the 78th floor which gives the panoramic view of city as well as the Arabian Sea. So I am at your luxurious 3.5 BHK and the carpet for this spacious apartment is 2058 square feet. So this is your living room. And this is your dining space, which is easy to accommodate 8 members of your family. And this is a space which can be utilized as per your requirement. It can be used as mandir, office space, as well as you can remove it as enlarge the living as well as the dining area. This is the kitchen space. So this is your beautiful butterfly layout apartment, and to your right you have the first bedroom. This is the first common bedroom, which is 160 square feet. This is the common washroom. Enter to the master bedroom, which is very spacious as well as elegant, with the French windows, which provides you the Mahalakshmi Racecourse views and Arabian Sea. Here you have the washroom with good quality sanitary fitting. And this is the servant room which is connected with the washroom for hygiene facility. And this is your second master bedroom with attached washroom which has a separate shower space. Again, the bedroom connects you with the deck which is 346 square feet and which gives you a breathtaking view of Mahalakshmi Racecourse as well as the Arabian Sea. And this is the powder room.